one here. Then we have another one here. So we use, that is HTML. Here we have the front developer and the end developer. By front, we mean when you enter any site, what you view is the front end. That one, we do it using HTML and CSS. But now, assume it's a form you are filling. Where does the data go? Now, where the data goes is where now we start by PHP. So with PHP, we usually go now to the server side. What do we require? On the server side, we require softwares, that is VS Code for editing code. We also need Xampp as our server. And with that, today we will discuss on how to install a server, how to install the VS Code, and how to write code in VS Code and view it. So if I come here, we usually go to our browser. Xampp, if you want to download Xampp, you use HTTPS, that is the link for the official. Then www.apachefriends.organization. So it will give you a page like this. Now, depending on the operating system you are using, you will choose. There are others who use Mac. There are others who use Linux. But for me, I use Windows. I also believe you also use Windows. So you come and select. This is for Windows. So I'll just select it like that. Then it will open that page. Already it has started downloading. But if you don't see it downloading, you just click here. But it's automatically downloading. So what you require, you need network when you are downloading this thing. So with this one, you can open the file or you can view it in folder. So tukikuja kuview kwa folder, we will see it on downloads. So after you have it like this, you are supposed to right click on it. That is double click on it. Then you will see, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, because I want to install it. Then you will see this warning. This one, you must say okay. Ukiona huoni warning, jua hiyo hamuendi popote nayo. You must see that a warning pop up. Then you will see this one. Shona hii, it's just saying next. You don't do anything. Next. Unaona inakuja inakuuliza ijiweke wapi, unaenda next. So For mine, it's telling me selected folder is not empty. Yeah, it's not empty because I have another Xampp. So you will continue here next up to finish. You will have installed your server. So ukisha install, so mimi siwezi install juu niko na nyingine unless I change the path, but no need. You just go next, then finish. Utakuwa umeinstall. Then after installing, you will come here. Control, Xampp control panel. You will see it, Xampp control panel. You will open it. Ukifungua utapata mashida kama haya, unaona huioni, but inakuanga imekuja this side. This side here. If you use this button here, you will find it here. So usi open mara mbili tatu, just open once. Bernard, do you have anything to say?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are happy, I will double click here. Then itafungua tu, msijali, itafungua tu. Then after having this Xampp as the server, we also require what we call VS Code. VS Code haina mambo mingi kwa downloads. Unakuja tu una type VS Code ama Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code. VS Code. Download. Na itakuja inakaa hivi. So hiyo no need to download juu haina formula za kufuatilia TO official website, no. And it will just download. Hii haina mengi, it will just download. So you require VS Code. Then you require the server, that is the Xampp. Then lastly we require a browser. Browser ni kama hii tunatumia Microsoft Edge ama Chrome. Kuna wenye wanatumia Firefox among others. Hizo ndizo browsers. So I already have my VS Code here. So Xampp control panel will open like that. Meiona vizuri? That is the control panel for Xampp. Here, what you require is the Apache. What you require is Apache and the MySQL. So here, we will start Apache. Ukiona imeleta yellow inakwambia it's fine, ina open. Lakini ukiona imeleta red, haita open. So it will open, then it will give us a green color. So that Apache, we use it for PHP. So ndio tukode na PHP, we must be having Apache being started. Then we need MySQL. MySQL is for database, and database is used for storage. So we need also to start MySQL. Now you come here. You come here. You can close it. Ukifunga hii button hii close, haimaanishi umezima hizi. Still the server is on. Ukiclose hii button, still the server is on. So ukitaka kustop ni ukuje ufinye hapa stop. So after that, you are supposed now, after closing it like that, bado iko on, si ati imepotea. So I'm supposed to come here. Kuna wenye hutumia this PC kwa computer zao, this PC, wakitaka ku access files. Na kuna wane kwa wanatumia this one, File Explorer. So if I use File Explorer, I will come to local disk C, then I will come all the way to where I can see Xampp. After seeing Xampp, I will come all the way to htdocs. This one, htdocs. Hizo zingine zote hazikuhusu. htdocs. You will open it. Inside htdocs, you will create a folder. So let me create a folder inside htdocs. I'll create a folder and call it php. php cohort 2. Cohort 2. That is our folder. Hiyo jina tumeita lazima tuikumbuke, php cohort 2. After that, we close it. Then we come to our VS Code. My Visual Studio Code iko hapa. We come there. So VS Code ndio inatusaidia kuandika codes. Nayo server inatuhost. Then we see what we have created or written inside browser. So after opening the VS Code, itakuletea, depends na kila mtu vile italeta. Kama hii yangu unaona imeleta the black screen, but if I tell it, sasa yenu italeta hapa. New, see the VS Code yako ukifungua itatokelezea hivyo. A certain black screen. Then, unakumbuka folder tumetengeneza kule kwa htdocs. We go there. So we'll come to file. We'll go to here kwa file. Then we will open a folder. We come to open a folder. Folder yetu tulitengeneza in local disk. Then tukaenda kwa Xampp. Then tukaenda htdocs. And we called it php cohort 2, this one. So you just don't open it, just click on it like that. Don't open it, then select, because we want to open the folder. So we select that folder, php cohort 2. After selecting, you can see now the folder we are having here is php cohort 2. Now we need to add a new file. Sasa tunataka kuanza kucode our first code in PHP. We come here. Naona kuna vitu mbili, kuna hii new folder na new file. You come to new file. Now, in new file, we can call it maybe index. Let us just call it index. But now we have what we call extension. Kuonyeshana ni PHP, ukitype tu hivyo index, it's not a PHP file. That is not a PHP file. For you, To have as PHP file, you must have what we call extension .php. Now ukiweka .php, you will see this icon here. This one is for PHP. This is an element. You will see it. So you will know that now you are having your PHP. Now PHP has its own structure. PHP has its own structure. We start it like this. PHP. Then we write what we want. Anything here, tunaiandika. Then we end PHP like this. What we start PHP like that. That is the less than angle. Then question mark PHP. Then we end it with question mark and greater than sign. So here in between, what we want to see in a browser, we usually use the term echo, meaning we are coding echo. So this is what we want to see in the browser. Hello world. Echo, hello world. So this hello world, in PHP, we must terminate. Terminate tunamaanisha kusema the end of that line. So this line inaend hapo, we use a semicolon. And if now we run this one here, tutaiona kwa browser, that is tutaiona either kwa Chrome, kwa Firefox, kwa Microsoft Edge, this hello world. So I save it. So to save ni control S as usual. Kwa tumia tu hiyo una save. Then I come here in our browser. Hii lazima tujue, tukumbuke vizuri, what was our name of our folder and the name of the file. So we will come in our browser. Cohort PHP cohort 2 index.php. Can you see it?
Yeah.